everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix notifications not showing in the Lockets app. If you're missing photos or photo updates or friend activity alert, don't worry, here's the step-by-step fix to get notifications working again. First of all, go to your settings app and check iPhone's notification settings. Go to your settings app and then search for notifications, and then make sure you have the Lockets allow notification option toggled on. After that, what you're gonna do is check focus or do not disturb mode. Go to settings, or you can just scroll down, and if you have a do not disturb mode on, then turn it off. This will allow notifications to pop up in your screen. Next, go ahead and go to your settings and go to general, then go to background app refresh and make sure you have toggled it on for Locket app also. After that, at last restart your phone. Hold the power plus volume button to slide power off. Wait 10 seconds, then power back on. This resets iOS notification services. Privacy tip: Locket notifications are personal and show your friends live photos update. Make sure to keep your alerts enabled only for trusted contacts. Quick fix: if the notifications still don't appear, log out and log back in to refresh your sessions. Delete and reinstall the app, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.